We've charged through the dark portal to hold back the Burning Legion, and journeyed to the frozen wastes of Northrend to stand against the Lich King's wrath. Our footsteps have pressed into the red dust of the Barrens, and our blades have cut through the shifting mists of the Emerald Dream. But after the endless wars, have you ever just slowed down? Have you ever watched a sunset painting the Orgrimmar taverns in red? Did you ever notice that a simple tankard on an inn table actually carries the soul of an entire race? Hey everyone, it's Mao12 here. To me, those tiny, overlooked objects are the true footnotes of Azeroth. So today, I'm breaking the fourth wall to bring that raw, rugged horde spirit out of the game and into the real world. From initial modeling to 3D printing and final painting, this project took me 40 hours. I loved every second of it. Being able to bring an item from your favorite game to life as a WoW player, there's no better feeling. Let's get into the build. For the modeling, I wanted to stick with that classic low poly look. I didn't want it too realistic. If it's too polished, it loses that authentic WoW vibe. Fusion 360 is pretty friendly for low poly work. A few sketches and parameters were enough to block out the shape. But a perfectly smooth surface is a bit boring, right? It needs more detail to keep it interesting. I decided to add some dents and scuffs. I mean, this is a horde. Tavern orcs and trolls. Getting into a brawl is basically a tradition, and a heavy tankard is usually the first weapon they grab. So, I jumped into Blender, used a little magic, and added the wear and tear that makes it feel like it truly belongs in the game. The 3D printing was pretty quick. I had 2 printers running at once. I went with gray and black filaments. Gray is great for building up color contrast, while the black rings for the iron bands make it so much easier to add highlights and metallic weathering later. Now for the painting. I think I'll cast silence on myself for this part so you guys can just enjoy the process. This is the Azeroth I remember. These 40 hours weren't just about making a model. They were about revisiting our shared journey. If this piece brought back some memories for you, please give it a like and share it with your old guildmates. What's the one moment in WoW you'll never forget? Let me know in the comments below.